When you go viral, it's really important to do a series of 3 steps to make sure that you continue the momentum. Number one, as soon as you go viral, and viral means lots of different things. Viral can mean getting double the amount of views, more engagements. Going viral is a really subjective term, but the most important thing that you can do is straight after you go viral, you need to make sure to do a post, a reel, something to reintroduce yourself. This is because you're going to be getting a lot of newbies into your profile, and you want to make sure that A, they are a right fit for you, but also B, that you are nurturing people on a much deeper level. Number two is you need to make sure to schedule in some posts that are going deeper with the connection that you have gotten with them from that viral piece of content. Okay? Because everything thus far has probably been very surface level. If you've posted a viral piece of content and that's gone very, very wide, it's bringing in people that have nothing to do with you, don't even know what you do, what you sell, what you're all about, your personality, whether they trust you or not. So it's really important for you to actually post some nurturing content so that you can deepen that connection further. And number three is make sure that throughout the viral process, you actually make notes on why you think you went viral, what was good about that particular piece of content, and also what you could do next time if you wanted to replicate that success.